Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 87 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. We read the questions, he answers the questions, and we take the answers and put them here for you. Today, we are live from the Red Frog Pub on the Carnival Sunrise, which is funny because one of the questions is actually about the Red Frog. So, on today's episode, we're talking about Guy's Burgers, fresh cut fries, what time does the coffee shop open, express lines at a few of the busiest bars, what terminal is my ship leaving from and coming back to, and footrest for shaving your legs in the shower. I love those. Question 1. This cruiser wanted to know what's up with the fries at Guy's Burger Joint. Sometimes they're frozen, sometimes they're fresh cut. He was just on the Jubilee and it had the fresh cut fries, but on the Breeze it had the frozen pre-cut fries. He wants to know what's the story. Will the fresh cut fries return to all ships? And John said, yes, indeed they will be returning. So I'd imagine they try to do something that's a little bit easier, having frozen fries, but nobody liked them, so they are getting rid of them. All right, this cruiser loves their morning coffee, as most of us do. And they want to know, what time do the coffee shops open on board? Is it before 7? Because they are an early riser. John said, well, it's not before 7, but it is 7. So the coffee shops on board will be open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. So if you like your coffee and you want to get up somewhat early and get it, 7 a.m. is the earliest. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you like cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, question 3. This cruiser didn't know if it was anything that would ever be considered, but is there a possibility of having an express line at a few of the busiest bars, such as Red Frog? Because sometimes he just wants a beer, and he doesn't want to wait for people ordering 27,000 different fruity drinks. He just wants to get a beer and go. So he was kind of looking for an express line. John said he didn't know if this has ever been considered, and he's never seen this suggested before, so he thanked them for bringing it to him, and he will share this with his senior beverage manager. That said, they're on quite a few boats now where you have your pour your own, if it works. But you can actually just walk up, put your card in, pour your beer, and be done with it. So this person, look out for those on the boats. They are out and about. All right, this cruiser want to know if there's some way to find out what terminal the ship will leave and return to in advance so they can let their Uber driver know. John said, you can ask him here and he will let them know what it is. Us in particular, we cruise out of Miami a lot. You can go to the Port of Miami website and it will tell you what boats are leaving, what ports they're leaving from, and then check your return day and you'll see what return date is. Because occasionally we'll go there and we'll get on the boat and we get back and we're 4 ports over. Now we're dragging the luggage all the way across in the hot Miami sun. So yeah, check your local port. I'm sure they have some sort of listing. The music, I think, is just getting louder. All right, this cruiser has suggestion for the new future-built ships. They were just on the Celebration. They noticed I had a little footrest in the corner for shaving your legs. It is getting louder. And they wanted in the shower. They thought it was good, but it was only like 6 inches high. She asked if it can be 12, 18 inches high so they can prop their leg on it while they're shaving. So you can do the Captain Morgan pose while you're shaving your legs. John said he will actually pass this along for the ship designer for future to see if it's something they can look at. And he appreciated them bringing it to attention. And we appreciate you watching. This has been episode 87 of Yakety-Yak. Please take care.